Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, JMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss Module 3, that is ferromagnetic and antiferromagnetism. Now, in this lecture we will discuss Module 4, that is superconductivity, dielectric properties of solid. First topic will be properties of superconductor. There are many properties of superconductor, that will be Meissner effect, heat capacity, energy gap, isotope effect, type 1 and type 2 superconductor, London equation and London penetration depth. First we will discuss Meissner effect. This phenomena state that when superconductor is cool below critical temperature Tc and placed in magnetic field H, the flux is excluded from the bulk of the specimen. In 1933, Meissner discovered that the superconductor completely expel any magnetic field line that were initially penetrating in its normal state. Suppose the magnetic field is applied first to sample in normal state shown in figure, that is this figure. Let the material be cool below the temperature Tc in presence of magnetic field. It is expected that the magnetic flux through the material would remain unchanged. Meissner found the magnetic flux was totally excluded from the sample as it became superconducting as shown in this figure. Hence, the expulsion of magnetic flux during the transition from normal to the superconducting state is known as Meissner effect. When the field is switched off, magnetic field is not trapped the superconductor as shown in this figure. The experimental observation of Meissner experiment shown that the temperature is reduced. The specimen enter in the superconducting state T is equal to Tc and magnetic flux is pushed out for temperature T less than Tc. The effect is reversible. When temperature rises from below Tc, the flux suddenly start penetrating the specimen T is equal to Tc. As a result, material return back to the normal state. The magnetic induction inside the specimen is given by B is equal to mu 0 bracket H plus M normal state, where H is external applied field, that is this H is external applied field and M is magnetization produced within the specimen. At T is less than Tc, B is equal to 0, mu 0 H plus M is equal to 0, superconducting state M is equal to minus H. The susceptibility of the material is psi is equal to M upon H is equal to minus 1, perfect diamagnetism. Thus the superconducting state is characterized by the perfect magnetism. This conclusion cannot be derived from the simple definition of superconducting as a state of zero resistivity. The superconductor is not just a perfect conductor but something more. Superconductor has additional property that residence less conductor would have. A material in superconducting state does not permit any magnetic flux to excite within the body of the material. Meissner effect shows that the superconductor not only dB upon dt is equal to 0 but also B is equal to 0. This will be the property of Meissner effect. Now next property, heat capacity. All the superconductor, the entropy decreases medially on cooling below the critical temperature Tc. Measurement of aluminum are plotted this graph. The decrease in entropy between the normal state to the superconducting state tell us that the superconducting state is more ordered than the normal state. For the entropy is measure of the discover of the system. Some or all the electron thermally excited in the normal state order in the specimen superconducting state. The change in entropy small in aluminum of the order 10 raised to minus 4 kb per atom. The small entropy change must be that small fraction, that is order 10 raised to minus 4 of the conduction electron properties, the transition to the order superconducting state. The heat capacity of gallium, compare the normal and superconducting state, that the electronic contribution to the heat capacity in superconducting state is exponential from the argument properties to minus 1 by t, suggestive the excitation of electron across an energy gap. An energy gap is characterized but not universal feature of the superconducting state. The gap is accounted by the Bordin, Kuiper and Stiefel, that is BCS theory of the superconductivity. This will be the properties of heat capacity. Now next property is energy gap. The energy gap of superconductor is entirely different origin and nature than the energy of the insulator. In an insulator, the energy gap is caused by the electron lattice interaction. This interaction ties electron to the lattice. In superconductor, the important interaction is electron-electron interaction, which order of electron is k space with respect to the Fermi gas of electron. The argument of exponential factor in the electronic heat capacity of the superconductor found to be minus E suffix g upon 2 kBt and not minus Eg upon kBt. This has been large from comparison with optical electron tunneling determination of energy gap Eg. The transition is zero magnetic field from the superconducting state to the normal state is observed to be second order phase transition. At a second order transition, there is no latent heat, but there is discontinuity in the heat capacity. The energy gap decreases continuously at zero as the temperature is increases to the transition temperature Tc. Now this will be the energy gap. Now next will be the isotope effect. It has been found yearly scientist who has performed the experiment that the critical or transition temperature is strongly depend on average isotope mass capital M of the constituent of the superconductor. In particular, Tc directly proportional to the m raised to minus 1 by 2 or m Tc upon m raised to minus 1 by 2 is equal to constant. More recent experiments have suggested the following general form. Tc is directly proportional to the m raised to minus alpha, where this alpha is called as isotope effect coefficient. That is, this alpha is called as isotope effect coefficient and it is defined as alpha is equal to del bracket ln T suffix c bracket complete upon del bracket in into m. Hence, we conclude that the superconducting critical temperature for various isotopes of superconducting is different. This phenomena is known as isotope effect. For example, Hg is critical temperature varies from 4.146 degree to 4.185 degree Kelvin due to this effect. Recent theories lead to result alpha is equal to 0.5 bracket 1 minus 0.01 bracket n bracket 0 bracket complete v raised to minus 2, where the parameter n0 is the density of the single particle state, that is this n0 for one spin at a Fermi level, and v is model potential between electron, that is this v. The transition temperature can also be connected to the debate temperature theta d and theta d sound velocity m raised to 1 by 2. Hence, Tc directly proportional to theta into d, that is Tc upon theta d is equal to constant. The constancy of Tc upon theta d implies the lattice vibration have important bearing on superconductivity, and clear guide to theory of electron-phonon interaction must be basic of the existence of superconductivity. Now this will be the properties of isotope effect. Now next property will be the type 1 and type 2 superconductor. First will be the type 1 superconductor. Type 1 are those superconductor which they are completely diamagnetic and hence flux is completely excluded. They are also known as soft superconductor. They are usually pure specimen of the element with value of Hc for them is too low to be used technical application. Example, aluminum, zinc, Sn. The transition in the type 1 superconductor is sharp. In type 1 material, as Hc is rich, the entire specimen converted into the normal state partially stimulatedly. The resistance return the diamagnetic moment become 0. B internal become equal to B external, that is B internal equal to B external as shown in figure, that is this figure. Now this will be the type 1 superconductor. Second type, type 2 superconductor. The magnetization curve for type 2 superconductor as shown in figure. Normally the type 2 superconductor are alloy or transition metal with high value of electric resistivity in the normal state. This metal as compared to the good conducting metal like copper have lower value of electron, means free path in the normal state. For this type, for applied field below HCl, the specimen is diamagnetic and hence flux is completely excluded. Hc is called as lower critical field. At Hc, flux begin penetrate and penetration increases till Hc2 C2 is reached between Sc1 and Sc2, that is this Sc1 and Sc2. The flux density equation B not equal to 0 and Meissner effect is said to be incomplete. The specimen is said to be the mix or vortex state between Hc1 and Hc2. In order vortex state, material specimen has both normal superconducting region, can possess zero resistance and partially flux penetration. At the beyond Hc2, the state that normal conductor Hc2 is called as upper critical field, that is this Hc2. The value of Hc2 may be 100 times higher than critical field Hc. Moreover, the magnetization of group vanishes gradually. The field increases rather than the suddenly. For type 1 superconductor, they are also known as hard superconductor. For example, high temperature superconductor HCT COSI2. Application: the type 2 superconductor which has highly value of critical magnetic field as compared to the type 1 superconductor are partially more important in making high field magnet. This will be the type 1 and type 2 superconductor property. Now next will be the London penetration. In superconductivity, London penetration depth, usually denoted by lambda L, characterized by the typical distance to which a weak magnetic field penetrates into the superconductor. Typical value of lambda L are between 50 and 500 nanometer. Deep inside superconductor, as the magnetic field is zero, that is Meissner effect, lambda L is distance across which magnetic field become E times weak, that is this figure. This figure is magnetic field of magnitude B0 application parallel to the plain vacuum superconductor interface. The field decay B0 upon E at a distance x is equal to lambda L in the superconducting region. The penetration depth is given by lambda L bracket T is equal to lambda L 0 upon bracket 1 minus T upon Tc raised to 4 bracket raised to 1 by 2. Now this will be the London penetration depth. Now in this lecture we will discuss properties of superconductor. Thank you so much.